So in the last video, we have cleared the topic about how to rectify the errors that are occurred in the case of journal. Okay. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to rectify the errors that are occurred in the stage of posting, that is in the ledger. So this topic is quite tricky, but if you observe it and learn it keenly, it becomes easy to you. So before going into the actual topic, firstly we will recollect how to post the entries. Okay, so here I gave you a business transaction, that is goods sold to Satish ₹100. This is the business transaction. So this transaction, firstly we have to record in the journal book. Okay, first entry. So what is the entry for this? Goods sold to Satish. Then what is the entry? Satish account debit to sales account, right? So what is the amount? 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Now from this entry we have to open two accounts, that is in the ledger. So in the ledger, how many accounts we will open? Two accounts. Okay, one account is the Satish account and another account is a sales account. Satish account and another one is sales account. Okay, this is the debit side and this is the credit side. Now how will you post this entry in this Satish account? See, Satish account is in the debit side. Okay, now come to the ledger, that is a Satish account debit side. Just write what is there in the credit to sales account. Amount is 100 rupees. Okay, and now just come to the sales account. See, sales account is in the credit side in the entry. So come to the credit side of this account and simply write what is there in the debit. By Satish 100 rupees. So this is the process. So this is the process of ledger posting. Now we will start how to rectify if there is any error in this posting. Okay. So here in the first example we have taken goods purchased from Satish ₹100 but wrongly credited to Satish account by ₹1000. So this is one type of error that have been taken place in the ledger account. Now how we will solve this means, just draw an extract of trial balance like this. Okay, this is the debit side and this is the credit side. What is the correct entry? Goods purchased from Satish, purchases account debit to Satish account by correct amount is 100 rupees and 100 rupees. This is the correct entry. Now what they have written wrongly means, the wrong entry is but wrongly credited to Satish by ₹1000. See, the Satish account is credited by ₹1000, which is wrong. The actual amount to be credited is ₹100 but it is credited as ₹1000. So this is the wrong entry. In the Satish account they have credited by ₹1000. Okay, and this debit side, they didn't say that the purchase account also have debited by ₹1000. They simply said that only the Satish account is wrongly credited. So there is nothing error happened in the purchase account. Okay, so purchase account is clearly debited with so the purchase account is clearly debited with the 100 rupees. 900 rupees is not at all tallying. So this is one type of error. Now how we will solve this means, the rectification entry is, so in the purchase account the correct entry is the ₹100 and in the wrong entry as well the purchase account is debited by ₹100. So there is nothing problem in this purchase account. You just leave this purchase account and the problem is only there in this Satish account. The correct amount that must be recorded is ₹100 but wrongly it has created by ₹1000. Now in order to reduce, okay, in order to reduce this 1000 rupees, just debit the Satish account by 900 rupees. Satish account 900 rupees. So if we less 900 from this 1000, the Satish account will be credited by 100 rupees correctly. So now what will be the rectification entry means? See, Satish account must be debited, right? So Satish account debit 900 rupees. See, in the credit side, so here in the credit side there is no account that can be written here. So simply use the suspense account. Suspense account 900 rupees. So this is the rectification entry. Although this suspense account should not use every time, I will mention you where to use and where to not use. As of now, use the suspense account when there is nothing account is there to fill the entry. Okay. So now see another example I have taken. The question is goods purchased from Z for 24,000 but wrongly credited to Z account by 2,400. Firstly, we have to observe whether this error happened in the journal or at the stage of ledger. How we can identify it? How we can identify means, see here it is wrongly credited. So the words debited, credited or posted, all these words are happened at the stage of ledger. But the words like recorded or else entered, okay, all these words are happened at journal. Okay ma. So now we have to so now we have identified that this error is happened at the stage of ledger. So what's the next step means, first analyze the question. What they have given, goods purchased from Z for 24,000 but in the Z account they have wrongly credited by the rupees 2,400. Now just simply draw an extract of the trial balance and write the correct entry. What is the correct entry for the goods purchased from Z? Purchases account debit to Z account 24,000. This is the correct entry. And now what is the wrong entry that they have posted but wrongly credited to Z account? Okay, Z account is credited by rupees how much? 2,400, and this is the error. So Z account is credited by how much rupees? 2,400. Did they say that any error is happened in the purchase account? No. Simply say that Z account is credited wrongly. Simply Z account is there in error but not the purchase account. So there is nothing to be tensed with the purchase account. Purchase account is silent throughout this sum. Okay. Now only the error is happened in the Z account. Now the correct entry is 24,000 but they have written like 2,400. Now how much amount we must add in order to reach this 24,000 means 21,600, right? So 21,600, if we add this amount, we will reach to the correct amount. So Z account must be credited again by the rupees of 21,600 in order to rectify this, right? So now what is the correct entry? Rectification entry A. So I'll simply write here. So the rectification entry is, in order to debit this side, there is nothing account is there. So simply use a suspense account. Now what is the rectification entry? Suspense account debit to Z account 21,600. This is another example. Now I will give you two examples. You have to answer them and write them in the comment section below. I will definitely check your answers. Okay. So now students, I have given you two questions. You have to write the answers in the comment section below. Now I will read out the questions for you. So first question is, the goods sold to Meghana for 48,000 but wrongly debited to Meghana account by rupees 4,800. And another question is, sales to B for rupees 22,000 but wrongly debited to B account by 2,200. Okay ma? So now listen ma, before we have done some examples, those are entirely different topic and these are entirely different topic. Okay, so these questions are somewhat tricky but no problem, we will learn it very simply. So what's the question means, goods sold to XYZ rupees 10,000, okay, was wrongly credited to XYZ account. So firstly we have to identify whether this error happened at the stage of journal or at the stage of ledger. So the word creditor is there na, so this is definitely happened in the stage of ledger. So now draw an extract of the trial balance like this and write the correct entry. What is the correct entry for the goods sold to XYZ account debit to sales account? 10,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees. Now what is the wrong entry? Was wrongly credited to XYZ account. So here they are saying that XYZ account must be debited, okay, but wrongly they have credited the XYZ account with the same amount only. Amount is the same but instead of debiting they credited the XYZ account. Now how we can solve this error means, see, they they didn't say that the sales account is also in error. They are silent in the case of sales account. So there is nothing rectifications we can do with this sales account. So sales account is silent in this whole sum. So now we have to rectify only one account, that is the XYZ account. See, so wrongly it is, so XYZ account is wrongly credited. In order to cancel this XYZ account in the credit side, we can simply strike out like this. Is it correct? No, we should not strike out like that. So by the entry only we have written wrongly. So by the entry only we have to solve this. How we can solve this means, it is credited wrongly now, so we have to debit it once. So if we debit this once, then this wrong entry and this entry will got cancelled. Okay, so now the error is rectified, but the correct entry must, XYZ account must debited with rupees 10,000. So in order to write the correct entry, we have to debit XYZ account again with the rupees of 10,000. So this is the correct entry. So totally XYZ account must be debited twice, that is 20,000. Okay, so 10,000 is so 10,000 to rectify this error, and another 10,000 is to write it on the correct side. So this is the correct method. So this is the correct method. Now what is the rectification entry is, debit the XYZ account, debit 20,000. Okay, so now in the credit side, what account can we use? So actually the sales account must come in this credit side, but they say that sales account is nothing, error is there. So we can simply use the suspense account here. To suspense account 20,000. Okay. So this is the another example. It is totally different model. So now the question is, goods sold to Rahim rupees 1 lakh but wrongly credited to Rahim by 10,000. So simply draw an trial balance like this. And what is the correct entry? Goods sold to Rahim. So Rahim account debit to sales account. What is the amount? 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Okay, this is the correct entry. And now what is the wrong entry that they have written but wrongly credited to Rahim account by 10,000. Okay, so Rahim account is credited, which is wrong. So again, so in the wrong entry we are writing Rahim on the credit side by the rupees 10,000. So this is the wrong entry. They clearly say that the error was happened in the Rahim account only, but not in the sales account. So this sales account is simply silent in this whole sum. Now how to rectify this posting? See, the Rahim account must be debited with 1 lakh, but the Rahim account is credited with rupees 10,000. Firstly, just rectify this error. To rectify this error, simply debit the Rahim account with the 10,000 rupees. Rahim account 10,000 rupees. Now the error is rectified because this is in the credit side, and when we debit this, this error got cancelled. Now in order to write the correct entry, the Rahim account must be debited with rupees 1 lakh. So now we have to increase the Rahim account, that means debit the Rahim account again by rupees 1 lakh. And now the entry is got cancelled and the correct entry also written. So simply we have to write the Rahim account by rupees 1 lakh 10,000. Okay. So this is another type of error. See what they have given. Goods sold to Siri for rupees 50,000 but wrongly credited to Giri. Okay, Giri account by rupees 5,000. Now how we can rectify means, simply write the trial balance extract like this. What is the correct entry? Goods sold to Siri means Siri account debit to sales account. Okay, 50,000. And here also 50,000. This is the correct entry. But what they have written wrongly means they credited the Giri account. So in the wrong entry means we have to credit the Giri account here. Giri account, how much they credited? 5,000 rupees. So this is the wrong entry. Now we have to rectify this first of all. So in order to rectify, so in the process of rectification, firstly there is nothing entry happened in this sales account. Why? Because the Siri account must be debited. Instead of debiting this Siri account, they have credited this Giri account. Okay, So now we have to debit this Giri account by rupees, how much? 5000 rupees. And now this error got cancelled. Why? Because the credit side of the Giri account, when we debit this Giri account by the 5000 rupees, this error got cancelled. But we have to write the correct entry, that is we have to debit the Giri account by rupees, how much? 50,000. So this is the rectification entry. Okay, now what is the rectification entry for this Giri account debit, again Giri account debit. So in the credit side, actually the sales account must come, but the sales account has nothing error, so this is the rectification entry, so we are not using the sales account here. So simply put the suspense account in the credit side. So Giri account must be debited by how much? Rupees 5000, and Giri account must be debited again by rupees 50,000. So total the suspense account is open for how much rupees? 55,000 rupees. So these are the sums in the ledger posting. Now I will give you another 3 questions for your practice. You have to practice them and tell me the answers in the comment section below. Okay, so these are the questions I have given you. So see, first question is, goods purchased from Shyam for rupees 50,000 but wrongly debited to Shyam account. This is the first question. And the second question is, goods purchased from Radha for 50,000 but wrongly debited to Radha account for 5 lakhs. And the last question is, goods purchased from Sohan for 50,000 but wrongly debited to Mohan account by rupees 5 lakhs. So these are the questions that you have to practice it. This channel for the very first time, please hit the subscribe button and also do like this video. Thank you so much.